Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Palantir. It is time for another update, and quickly on the long time frame. We have been tracking this idea of a 1-2 setup followed by a larger third wave to the upside that is still very much in development. And within it we have here an additional 1-2 and then another 1-2 setup here. This could be the third wave up, but honestly this actual third wave could still extend much more and allow for continuation to the upside. The count could still extend in ways that it would be considered full even now, but still, even with additional highs, it could be counted as full. Now we have been mostly focusing on the two possibilities that this third wave could have completed, and then we would be looking for a correction in wave 4 in the area between the $113 down to the $63 level. Then we were also tracking the yellow scenario that focuses specifically on this area, and then within it we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then we would be looking still for another high in the fifth wave. Now consider that even though I mentioned this also in the previous video, but even though here in the wave 4 we broke the support zone, we did recover quickly enough, and this could still be salvageable to consider as a fifth wave to the upside. But even if we don't, we can still continue to track upside in this idea that maybe this third wave is not yet complete, and then here this was an A wave up, a B wave down, and then a C wave to the upside. And in this case the support zone for the wave 2, or the wave B in this case, would have actually held. It wouldn't have breached the 78.6% retracement. But regardless of that, regardless of the actual way this plays out, we can still track direct continuation to the upside. And in the previous video we had this as an A-B setup to develop, because keep in mind we are tracking an ending diagonal here within the yellow scenario, so we are looking for an overall larger ABC structure to complete the fifth wave. And then we could be looking for a 5-wave move in the idea that this third wave is not complete and we are within the C wave to the upside overall. Now, since the previous video, we did manage to hold the support zone that I provided additionally for this AB setup, or 1-2 depending on how it develops, and we did hold it. We did hold overall even the 61.8% retracement. And we managed to create this stronger movement to the upside. Now, this structure, even though it is on a fragile time frame, could be counted as an impulse. I have to say it is very likely that this could be overall a diagonal pattern that is developing, but keep in mind this is overall quite possibly a wave C that has developed here overall. And the ideal target for this wave C would be at the 100% extension, and we already breached that, and it does look like this pattern could be considered quite full, to be honest. So this could be a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then this fifth wave could complete within very little further action, where maybe we get another 4-5, and then that is it. We could have our overall ABC pattern within the white scenario. We would have held the resistance area that we have for the white scenario, in which we would overall be in a fourth wave that again would ideally reach at least the support zone that starts at the $113 level. So the idea is we are in an area of decently high risk, and even if this yellow scenario still works out, it is very likely that we could be towards the end of this wave A. Now, I'm not saying that this couldn't turn out into something much more bullish that could still push further, but keep in mind also the area where we are within this chart, and the idea that we are still within the resistance in the white interpretation that extends up to the $178. And then this could turn into a larger ABC pattern that would follow direct continuation to the downside. Now, considering that this wave C is complete, although yeah, I see it very, very likely that it continues for at least a bit longer. And there are scenarios in which this is a wave 1, a wave 2, then this is the third wave up, then we get another fourth and a fifth to complete the wave C. But considering that it may be complete, I would be looking for support for the yellow interpretation in the area between the $160 down to the $148 level. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.